Hi, I'm Casey with Windows 101, and today we're going to be unboxing the Blue Dragon Pro 1 and talking about everything that comes inside the box. Let's have a look. Once you get everything out of the box, you're going to have a smaller box with your small items. You have your cart with your pre-installed membrane. Then you have your 20-inch housing with your 20-inch cartridge pre-filled. This housing has 2 O-rings on it. Now let's look what's inside the box. Now let's look at all the smaller items. You have your user manual. You have the top cap for the cart. You have your inlet hose, waste hose, you have the carbon filter housing with the carbon filter, multi-wrench for the housings, you have an inlet quick connect, an outlet quick connect, a TDS meter, and finally the RO preserve. And this is everything that's going to come with your Blue Dragon Pro 1.